This video, we are going to take up one more model, how to create this particular model by using the Fusion software. So to do this, first we will go to Fusion and I will go for a sketch and I will take the top plane as the reference. Then from here, I will create, this is 70, 40, 110, 140 is the total distance. Yes, you can see here 125 and 15, it becomes 140. And this entire distance is 90. Okay, so to do that, I will go for rectangle. I will select this as the origin point, 2-point rectangle. And I will go for dimension, select this dimension, and I will take it as 140. And then from this side, I will going to take 90. Then I will go for finish sketch, click on extrude, select this profile, and then give the thickness as 40 mm. So I will give the thickness as 40 and click on OK. Then I want to create this slot here. So to create this slot, I will go for sketch, click on the top surface of this model, and now I will go for rectangle, select some arbitrary point, and then I will going to create this rectangle. Then the dimension from here to here is 30 and this is 40. So from this edge it is 30 mm and from here it is 30. So I will go for dimension, select these two edges and I will make it 30. Then again this dimension is a radius 20, so it becomes 40. Radius becomes, it is 40. So here I will type it as 40. And then from this distance it is 30. Then I will go for circle, go to circle, I will go for 2-point circle, select this as the one end point and you select this as the another end point. And then I will go for finish sketch, click on 3D and go to extrude, select this profile and this profile and give the distance as through all. And I want to, since it is in the upward direction, I want to go it in the downward direction. You just flip it, and since the operation is cut, you just click on OK now. Now we have this particular portion which we have completed on this top surface. Similarly, I want to create this one now. So the radius is 25, which becomes 50, and here it is 20, and here it is 20, so 90. Okay, and this entire height, it is from the top surface, it is 50, means that is you're having a depth of 25 mm. So I will go for sketch, click on this plane. Okay, then I will go for rectangle. You select this rectangle and create one rectangle of any size. Then I will go for dimension from this side to this side. I will keep it 50 because from the top surface he has given that particular distance. Yeah. Then I want this radius is 25, so I will go for 50. So I will go for dimension. You select this dimension and you give it as 50. Then and I want to give this entire distance, it is on either side, so one side I want to make it as 20. So I go for dimension, select between these two and I will give this as 20. Once you go to this and then you go to the finish sketch and go to 3 dimension and go to extrude, click on this surface. Then what is the overall distance? 30 plus 25. It is from here, it is 30 plus 25, it becomes 55. So I will go for the distance as 55 and I want to join this to the base. Now I will go for fillet, select on this edge and I will select on this edge and give the distance as 25. Okay. Then again, I will go for fillet, select on this edge and also on this side edge. Okay. And give the radius as 20. Click on OK now. So now we have this portion which we have completed now. So then now I want to go to this particular portion of the drawing. So what I want is I want to create this as the T profile. Okay. I will go for sketch, click on this top surface on this. Now I will try to create this profile now. So to do that, I will take it here and I will say OK. Now I will go for line. You select this particular line from the end point and I will draw one line now. So what is the dimension of that? It is 100. So I will take from here, it is 100. Then I will draw one more line at some distance from this point. Okay. Then I will go for the dimension. Take the dimension as 25. I will take this dimension as 25. Okay. Then this dimension as 45. Yes. Then once you do that, you draw a line and you draw the line. It will be like this. So I will go for line. You select this line. From here, I will draw one line of any size. And from here, I will draw one more line. And from here, I will take to this dimension. Okay. And from here, I want to join this. Okay. Now, once you do that, now I will go for horizontal or vertical. So it is constrained now. So then what is the dimension of this? From here to here, it is 20. So dimension from here to here, it is 20. Okay. Then the height is given to be 45 from here. So I will go for dimension, select this and give the dimension as 45. Then I want to give overall length that is 75 from here. Okay, that is you are given here. So I will go for dimension, select from this point to this point. I want it as 75. Okay, so that is from the end. Yes, once you do that, now what is the total depth is 125. So I will go for finish sketch. So I will go for 3D. Once you go for 3D, now we are starting from here. But this profile starts from here, which is at a distance of 15 from where you have created the sketch. So I will go for extrude, select this particular profile, and then I will come down to profile plane and click on offset and give the distance as minus 15. And from that minus 15, again, I want 125. So that is here, you give minus 125. So from here to here, it will take, that is, from here, it takes the offset of 15 mm. And from there, it will start by another 125 mm. So this is how you will be able to do this particular model now. The moment when you see that, and now since this edge is finally coming at the end of this, I will say click on join and you come down to this. Now the next thing is I want to cut it. So I want to cut this particular profile from the backward direction. So I will just go to rotate this, okay, here, and I will go for sketch, click on this plane, and then I want to draw a line from this bottom side to this at a height of 20 mm. So I will go for line, select some arbitrary point from here to this point. Okay. Then I will go for dimension. Between this point and this point, I will give 20 mm. So the other end is here. So we need not have to worry about that point. So it is already there. If I want to check the dimension of this, I can give that dimension. So here, he has given it as 10. But how much we are getting here? Yes, it is also 10, 45, 45, and then that is 10. Okay, yes. Now once you do that, now you go for the finish sketch and go to 3 dimension. And now you just rotate it. Then you give extrude, select this particular profile, and what is the distance you want? Distance is 125 minus 25, it is 100. So I want to give, since it is in the opposite direction of the arrowhead, I will type minus 100 and I will just go for cut and say click on OK. So now this is how you will be able to create this particular model of how this can be created by using the Fusion. So this is so if you want, I will go for an appearance and I want to give the color for this. I will go for paint and I will go for glossy. and click whichever the color you want, and I will go for green and say close it. So this is how you will be able to create this particular model by using the Fusion software. Thank you.